Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about a polygel nail kit. This is the kit. I got it from Amazon. It's called Gershon. I don't really know how to pronounce it. It's the polygel nail enhancement kit. And if you see my nails right now, it's actually what I use. I posted on my Instagram a while ago because I got it in the mail and I just wanted to try it out. And right away I was like, oh my god, this is so easy if you want to do your nails, but you can't because we're kind of locked up in the house right now. It's a super easy way to do your nails. The only downside about it is that it can really be time consuming if you're just a beginner like me. Other than that, I think it's really cool. It's really easy. If you can, I would give it a try. It comes with a lot of stuff on the inside. I was actually really surprised. What I was really surprised about is that it comes with actually 6 tubes, I think, of this, and they're each 1 fluid ounce of the actual polygel that makes your nails. So I was really surprised about that. This is basically all that it comes with. Just to give you a quick little glance, but I'm gonna get more deep into it later in the video. Well, let's get right into it. I'm just gonna show you how I went from this to this. I mean, there's some rhinestones missing, but it's still such a big improvement. Like, I'm actually really proud of these. This is the actual kit. Just closer up, it comes with a bunch of stuff in it, like I mentioned before. First, it's this little instruction manual just to show you how to go through things. Comes with a nail file, comes with a brush and a spatula. I don't know if that's what it's called, but yeah. Here's a close-up. Then they come with dual forms and nail forms. I thought it would only come with one, but it actually came with both, which is really great. So here are the nail forms. It also came with a base coat and a top coat. Here's a close-up of those two. Like I said, it also came with 6 polygel tubes. So here are the colors of all 6 of them. It comes with a clear tube, a white tube, a natural pink, a dark pink, a cover pink, and what's called bean red. First, I'm going to start by pushing my cuticles back, and I'm also going to file my nails and also file the surface of my nails just to make sure that the stuff really sticks onto it. Next, I'm going to take my gross nails and put some rubbing alcohol on it just to kind of get all of my nail dust off of it so I can just have a nice clean surface to put my base coat onto. Then I went ahead and put my base coat on and cured it for I think 60 seconds in my UV lamp. I also got this UV lamp from Amazon, so that will also be linked down there. So here are the nail forms. I just went through to try and find which one actually fit my nail beds. One of the only things that this kit does not come with is a slip solution. So I heard that if you have alcohol, it's fine as a slip solution, just to make sure that the polygel doesn't stick onto the brush. So I use 70% alcohol, and as far as I know, as long as you use 70% or higher, you'll be fine and it won't stick onto the brush. I'm gonna be using the dark pink today. I just dipped my brush into the alcohol, made it damp. You don't want it to be dripping, but you want it to be damp. You can use a spatula to do this, but I just decided to put the polygel right onto the nail and then go ahead and start shaping it. Based on videos I watched, you want it to be kind of thin towards your nail bed, thicker towards the middle, and then start to get thinner as you get to the end of the nail. So that's what I did. I popped the nail on, and then when you pop it on, some of it comes out to the edges of the nail. So I just cleaned that up with the brush. Another really important thing to make sure that you do, which I kind of forgot about this sometimes, is to brush the back side out behind your nail, because it will create a lump if you don't, and then your natural nail will like not grow around it. It'll crumble up. So here is the nail fresh out of the UV light. I just took some alcohol to get the stickiness off of it and then started filing it. I like coffin shape, so that's what I attempted to do. Once it was done and I was happy with the shape, I just cleaned the little specks off with some rubbing alcohol again, and then I put the top coat on and put it back into the UV light. So basically, I just repeated all of these steps with all of the other nails. It did take a long time. If you're a beginner, first, second time, whatever, I would say give yourself at least 4 hours. I think my first hand took like 2 hours and then I took a break. and then came back and finished the other one within an hour. The more you practice, to me, the better it is, but it's still a really time-consuming process. But it made me look like this, so I don't care. Next, I got these decals from Amazon, and they're really cute. They come with a bunch of different colors. So I'm just gonna take some clear polygel and put that on top of my nail, attach my little rhinestones. I just decided to do a cute little beading or lining under my cuticle, and I cured it in the UV lamp, and that is it. These are how my nails turned out. They're not perfect in any way. I'm not a professional, but I think they turned out fine for somebody who can't go to the nail salon and get their nails done. That is all for today's video. Once again, I'm not a professional, so if I did anything wrong, it was at my own risk. Yeah, this is just my beginner's experience using the polygel nail kit from Gershion, still don't know how to say it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below any suggestions you have for me for the next video. Remember that most of the things that I got, I will be linking down below, so if you ever want to use them or buy them or order them and try them out yourself, you can do that. Thanks for watching. Bye!